Bura mar thicho oko gavana ma Isiolo Abdi Guyo ibiro winji tarik 8 kod tarik 9 dwe manyien e kinde ma senators duto igeno ni biro romo kata bedo gi romo makende mar yango ponono ni gavana no biro bedo e apisi koso oyo. Gavana Abdi Guyo itudo kod tiyo ataro mar chik mapacho ka bang' ndiko jochiw paro 36 ka achiel kod ndiko jotende migepe 31 kata bedo ni kaunti no bedo kod thuolo mag jotend migepe 6 kende. Guyo bende itudo kod tiyo arietha kod omenda mag bursaries mag jopuonjre maromo omenda milion 30. MCS ma Isiolo ne othicho oko Guyo e apisi tarik 26 dweni mar tich ang'wen juma mokalo.
Gross violation of the Constitution and other laws. The particulars of this allegation are that the governor grossly violated 1. Section 32K of the County Governments Act by failing to deliver an annual state of the county address for 3 years he has been in office. 2. Articles 201D and E of the Constitution by employing a bloated workforce, including 36 advisors in the office of the governor, 31 chief officers, yet the county has only 6 departments and 2 deputy county secretaries whose positions are not recognized in law. The clerk to circulate documents received from the parties, including the plenary hearing program, to all honorable senators by close of business on Monday, the 7th of July 2025 by 5 p.m. And D, the Senate shall then investigate the matter in plenary on Tuesday, the 8th of July, and Wednesday, the 9th of July 2025.